Good morning, students. Today we will learn about digestion in small intestine, how food is digested, its complex substances, how they are digested in small intestine. Small intestine is not all that small. It is about 6 to 7 meter long. Small intestine, as its name suggests, but it is not small. It is 6 to 7 meter long. When we saw it in the diagram, we saw that it is very coiled one. तो coiled one इसीलिए है वो ताकि थोड़े से space में बहुत ज़्यादा length इसकी cover हो जाए. It helps in digestion by using 3 types of secretions. Small intestine gets 3 types of secretions for digestion of food. So first of all, secretion from liver. The liver is the largest gland in human body. Liver, it is the largest gland. Gland क्या होते हैं? Which secrete some juices or some enzymes. ठीक है? They also secrete some hormones. It is present slightly below the stomach. Liver, it is present below the stomach. And on the right side, stomach की right side पे present होता है liver. It secretes bile juice that is stored in a bag-like structure called gallbladder. ठीक है? So liver क्या है? It is a largest gland of the body. Liver is largest gland of the body. And what does it secrete? This secretes bile juice. And bile juice, after secretion, it is stored in the gallbladder. And this bile juice plays an important role in digestion of fats. Bile juice help करता है fats को break down करने में. खाने में जितने भी हमारे carbohydrates हैं, fats हैं, these are digested. These are broken into simpler substances by bile juice. Secretions from pancreas. Pancreas, it is a yellow leaf shaped gland located just below the stomach. It secretes pancreatic juice, and this juice acts on carbohydrates, proteins and fats and break them into simpler form. So pancreas, it also secretes some juices that are called as pancreatic juices, and they act on carbohydrate, protein and fats. Secretions from the small intestine. The inner wall of the small intestine also secretes the intestinal juices. So in intestine there are secretions from 3 different kind of secretions. One is from liver, then from pancreas and then from small intestine itself. The juices which are secreted by the small intestine, they digest carbohydrate, protein and fats. So in this way we can say that liver की जो secretions हैं, that is bile juice, and bile juice help in digestion of fats. Then we have secretion from pancreas, and those secretions are called as pancreatic juice, and they also help in digestion of carbohydrate, proteins and fats. You can underline carbohydrates, proteins and fats from pancreas. And from intestine, the juice is intestinal juice, and it help in digestion of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. And from gall bladder, what is stored in gallbladder? It is bile juice, which is secreted by the liver, and it also help in digestion of fats. ठीक है? So fats की digestion, proteins की digestion and carbohydrates की digestion, these all get over in small intestine. Means कि ये सारे complex substances, simpler substances में break down हो जाते हैं in small intestine. The small intestine uses the bile, pancreatic and intestinal juice to complete the process of digestion of food in itself. Here carbohydrates are digested to simple sugar, means कि carbohydrate एक complex substance है और इसका जो simpler substance है that is glucose. And proteins are broken down into amino acids. Proteins किस में convert हो जाते हैं? Amino acids. And fats are broken down into fatty acids and glycerols. Means कि जैसे fats हैं, this is a complex substance. And सिंपलर इसका जो फॉर्म है दैट इज एसिड्स, फैटी एसिड्स एंड ग्लिसरॉल. ठीक है, तो मीन्स की डाइजेशन इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द माउथ. इन बकल कैविटी देयर वाज सलाइवा फॉर द डाइजेशन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, डाइजेशन ऑफ स्टार्च. ठीक है, एंड देन फूड केम इनटू द esophagus. Esophagus में there is no digestion, only there is movement of the food, means food is pushed towards the stomach. Then in stomach there is digestion of proteins, but all of the proteins they are not digested in stomach. After that food enters into the small intestine, and in small intestine it gets three types of secretions, one from liver, one from pancreas एंड वन फ्रॉम इंटेस्टाइन इटसेल्फ. ठीक है, इंटेस्टाइन में आके थ्री टाइप्स की सिक्रेशंस मिलती हैं और जितने भी प्रोटीन्स हैं, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स हैं, फैट्स हैं, दे आर डाइजेस्टेड. ठीक है, जो फैट्स हैं दीज आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू फैटी एसिड्स एंड ग्लिसरॉल. जो प्रोटीन्स हैं दीज आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू अमीनो एसिड्स. ठीक है, एंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स दे आर डाइजेस्टेड टू सिंपल शुगर लाइक ग्लूकोज. सो इट मीन्स कि डाइजेशन इज कंप्लीटेड इन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. आफ्टर दैट जो एब्जॉर्ब्ड फूड है